it was. It wasn't a statue. It was
Oh,
a fucking
shit, dude.
ghost.
I don't even want to sit right here. Let me see my bag.
Where's the monster?
That's where.
It's somewhere in there.
I don't want to go over there. Because like, I'm in the woods casually. Where did I put my phone? Chest. I see it, I see it.
Right side. No, left side.
I'd rather listen to fucking music. That's
Ah!
Those are the only ones I got were two.
Fucking monster over there.
Oh god. I gotta sit down.
What the?
See, Devin didn't even turn around. He just kept eating straight. Like, fucking bitch.
I didn't want to. Why would you turn?
So I can see what's happening.
I forgot what the song is.
Look up 3 out of 60 by Slender. Or it's 5 out of 60. But it's like the slash. It doesn't have it's a little slash. Do it closer. My mom's gonna die when she watches
I'm tired. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
this. He's to your right.
Yeah, he's right, dude.
Jesus.
What?
Christ.
What? Don't turn around. What?
I'm stuck on the tree. I'm safe.
Oh my
Just to
god.
be sure.
Why do you keep turning around?
Just die.
Close the door. We might need to run.
Look at the mouth.
Skyrim.
I'm not even looking for Jake.
Give him a hug. He's somewhere near you, I'm guessing? Yeah, most likely. Dude, where did he spawn?
Boom!
Dude, that's what happened. I got 3 of them, and then he was just right there.
Watch out for the trees too.
He's all breathing.
He's right there! He's towards the head.
Screw that guy.
I love how it gets all fuzzy.
Why is it all fuzzy? I don't know.
It's like Slender. That's what it's like in Slender too.
He's right behind you. What's this called?
White.
My light's about to die.
So you know, if like it randomly happens, I'm jumping.
No, you're not.
I will.
You won't because you're a 16-year-old boy.
I'm gonna hold this down so I
can't even
can throw it.
Flashlight. It's dying. Why is it dying?
And then there's the
That's him? That's what you guys are scared of the whole thing?
Oh, there's like multiple.
Stuck on a tree.
I know, but what does he look like when he's like, when you see his face?
No skin. Like his like alien.
Jesus.
Is that him?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just keep watching.
That's silly.
It's scariest when he catches you off guard.
I found it.
Me and Devin are 77.
Oh my god, he's on. Oh my god, he's gonna chase me now.
He's like following you. He's not even teleporting anymore. He's just like, this guy's stupid. He's turning around. Yeah, Fluffy, so do it again.
I lost it.
What if it wasn't a tree? What if it was him? I hear another tape. There it is.
Controller, Justin. Okay.
It's a good thing I put my headphone over my other ear. For now. He's right there. Give him a hug.
Give him a little kiss.
That's what it sounds like when he gets to you.
A howling dog. See, no, he just disappeared.
See, with Slender around, he doesn't do that. He just stands there and watches you leave.
Yeah, he doesn't like you stare at him and then he like fades away. Who is he?
Over and over.
I'm tired.
I kind of want to record the TV. So that way they don't. So that way the people can see what he looks like.
Next time, Devin, next time when I play it,
Oh man,
you get the TV, I'll get the reaction.
that's a ghost. There he is. I want to try to record him though. There he is.
Oh. He banged his head against the pole.
That's what your ass gets for being so tall.
Oh, God.
I gotta watch that.
Dude, that's crazy.